Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Webhoks settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings. Here as you see you will find Webhoks settings. You can find it here, you can find all informations about it. And that's it, that's how to find Webhoks settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.